Ever wondered how rattlesnakes make that iconic rattle sound? Well, let's dive into this fascinating bit of nature together. First off, that rattling noise isn't made by a maraca-like shake of the tail. Nope, it's way cooler than that. The secret lies in the specialized structure at the end of the rattlesnake's tail, known as the rattle. The rattle is made up of a series of interlocking segments called keratin, the same stuff your fingernails are made of. As the snake contracts and relaxes certain muscles, these segments knock against each other at an impressive speed. We're talking about 50 times per second. This rapid movement produces that unmistakable buzzing sound. But why does it sound the way it does? The shape of each segment is crucial. These segments are shaped kind of like open-ended cones, which allows them to collide and create vibrations without breaking. This design is nature's way of ensuring the rattle can keep making noise even after multiple uses. So, why do they rattle? It's their way of saying, hey, back off. It's a highly effective warning system to keep potential threats at bay. Pretty amazing, right? Next time you hear that rattle, you'll know the incredible mechanics behind it. Stay curious and always respect nature's remarkable designs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time. See?